This brother toner cartridge has no reset procedures or reset gears. To reset the toner counter and cancel the error message, you have to change the chip. This is the chip. To remove the old chip, use a blade. You have to break the plastic that hold the chip in place. The chip could be glued. Remove the old chip. Install the new chip. Use a little glue to hold it in place. Done. Remember, never update the firmware. Firmware updates are pretty useless for printer performance, but they may prevent the printer from recognizing a compatible toner cartridge.